Here's an overview of the Breakout EDU Help Get the Hubble Back, based on learning about galaxies. The premise of this breakout is that the Hubble Space Telescope has been hacked, and NASA has lost control of it because of some computer piracy, and the means to regaining control is hidden inside a box. Of course, the clues are all around the room. Students need to crack those clues, open up the locks, and gain control of the Hubble Space Telescope. To conduct this breakout, you will need the 3-digit lock, the 4-digit lock, the directional multi-lock, and the ABC multi-lock, set to the codes on the screen and also on the instruction document. In addition, you will need the large Breakout EDU box, the small box, the hasp, the UV pen and UV flashlight, and the key lock. In the small box, place the UV flashlight and 3 of the purple squares that you will use for one of the clues. This will be explained later. Lock the small box with the key lock. The clue printables include a clue about the Hubble telescope, a QR code, 5 images of galaxies, a note about Edwin Hubble, and 15 purple boxes. An additional printout includes the winning document that the Hubble is back under control. This will be placed in the big box. The only other additional resource necessary is a computer with access to the internet. A tablet or a cell phone will work as well. For a quick game overview, again, the Hubble has been hacked, and to get control of the Hubble back, the box must be open. Clues have been scattered in the room in order to try to open that box. The theme of the game is actually learning about galaxies, so this would be a great game when you are introducing the concept of galactic study. The clues for the 4 combination locks and the key lock are as follows. For the 5-letter clue, players will see this note about Edwin Hubble, giving some background about the pivotal astronomer in the study of galaxies. The key here is, do they have any questions about galaxies? When they email Edwin Hubble, they will get this response: that Edwin Hubble would love to answer the questions about the origins of galaxies, but he is currently seeing stars. That link, Seeing Stars, will send players to a SNOTE. What is the Greek origin of the word galaxy? The word galaxy comes from the Greek word milky. That's why it's called the Milky Way. The 5-letter clue also contains 2 additional clues that will help students find codes for other locks, including the key. One of them is about classifying the different shapes of galaxies, helping to shine a light on the cosmos. And the other is that you can search the galaxies to find out the key to the universe. Those will be explained in a couple of seconds. For the 4-number clue, students will find how do we know about galaxies and the Hubble telescope. This will be an overview of information about the Hubble telescope. This information can be found online at bit.ly/HubbleFacts or by using the QR code that can be hidden somewhere in the room. Using the invisible ink pen, write "the facts add up" on this clue. Once the students find the answers to all of these facts using the Hubble Facts website, they can add up all the numbers and they should get to 3851. For the 3-number clue, there are 15 purple boxes that should be cut up. 3 of them, 1 from each of the 3 rows, should be put into the small box with the UV light and locked using the key lock. The remaining can be scattered somewhere around the room. Maybe put some in an envelope, some can be hidden any place under desks or chairs. It's all up to you. Once the 15 squares are found, they can be placed in order with 3 statements about galaxies. A galaxy is a large group of stars, gas, and dust that are bound together by gravity. Most space theorists agree with the Big Bang theory to explain the origin of galaxies. And galaxies are moving and collide with each other, including our galaxy, the Milky Way. These will turn into 3 different equations. Those equations will lead to the numbers 787, the 3-number clue. For the direction clue, students will find a piece of paper that is blank with boxes about the 3 main types of galaxies. A quick Google search, or by using information that might be in books laying around the room, they will find that those galaxies are spiral, elliptical, and irregular. To find out the directions using this clue, they will also need to use the piece of paper that you have hidden that contains a galaxy image with some white boxes. By holding that paper over the 3 main types of galaxies and holding it up to the light, they will see the letters L, 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 U, R, left, 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 up, right. Those would be the directions on the directional clue. There's a hint for this on the note about Edwin Hubble. The key clue is also hinted in the note about Edwin Hubble. There are 5 images of galaxies that can be placed around the room on the wall. On one of the images, tape the key to the reverse of the image before taping it to the wall. Students should search the galaxies in order to find the key to the universe. That key will open up the small box, which will also contains the UV light and the purple boxes to help them with the 3-number clue. In the large box, students can have, in the large box, once opened, students will see the Hubble is back under control. And, interestingly, they can see what the Hubble is looking at right now in order to begin their study of galaxies by using the QR code or going to spacetelescopelive.org. You can add some flourishes and some red herrings to this breakout by placing different books about galaxies all around, and also use those books to hide clues. It's up to you. Hopefully your students will be able to get the Hubble back under control and begin their study of galaxies using Breakout EDU. Help get the Hubble back.